Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty. For today's makeup, I wanted to do this really fun and festive peppermint candy cane eye look. I thought it'd be really fun and cute and creative to do this, and I already did my brows. The same old, same old. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media down below, and let's get on with this video. I'm first going in with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base for my primer, just because my skin is a little dry right now, so I just need to hydrate it. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the Lancome Ultra Wear one, and I'm going to be taking shades 160W and 230W. I'm going to buff this in with the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. For concealer, I am of course taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. For powder, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer, my favorite bronzer. Okay, so for the peppermint eye, I kind of have a game plan. I'm kind of just winging it, but I'm going to dip into my lovely James Charles palette, and I'm going to be taking this color, Canvas, and I'm just going to apply this as kind of like a base color for my lid. And then I'm going to take this Morphe M535 brush, and I'm going to dip into this shade. This is the shade Pinkity Drinkity. Here comes the scary part. I'm going to be taking 2 liquid lipsticks for the actual peppermint part. I was going to do my paints that I used all of my Halloween series, but I knew they wouldn't work. And then eyeshadow, it's not going to work as well, so I was like, I'll just use liquid lipsticks. These are both by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is in the shade Drug Lord, and this is in the shade Red Rum. And the reason why I wanted to use liquid lips is because they're going to dry down matte and not smudge, and they'll stay put, and they're just exactly what I needed. So I'm going to be taking the white first, and I'm just putting some on the back of my hand. So I'm going to be taking these little eyeliner throwaways that I got off Amazon. I got them for client makeup, but I thought they'd be perfect because they're really skinny, but it's dense. Like, the top is fluffy, but it's a really dense brush rather than using something like this that's just all along flimsy, I guess you could say. So this is going to give me more control because it's so sturdy. Okay, so I'm just dipping into the white, and I'm literally just winging this. Yeah, here we go. Okay guys, this is what I have so far. It's coming out just what I had in mind, and I'm gonna do the other eye off camera really quick, and I'll be back to finish up this whole look. Okay, so both eyes are done. I'm gonna start working on the lower lash line. For that, I'm gonna take the shade Your Kitten, pure red shade, and I'm gonna buff this on my lower lash line. So I'm gonna go in with this stipple brush, and I'm gonna dip into that same shade and use it as blush. I'm gonna now be taking the Over Cosmetics Pillow Talk highlighter. It's this intense pinky toned highlighter, and this formula is amazing. I can't get over how good this stuff is. It's so intense. Just wait till you see. Do you guys see what I mean? I'm gonna go in with the NARS Climax Mascara and apply a lot of layers. For lips, I actually am going back in with that Jeffree Star liquid lipstick, but I'm just putting it on the middle of my lips and lightly tapping it out to have that, like you've been eating a peppermint or a lollipop or a popsicle look. To top off the red lip, I'm taking Dose of Colors The Most Lip Gloss with Desi and Katie. This I think is a perfect gloss because it's a clear gloss with pink and red glitter in it, so I think it's very fitting. I'm just gonna lock it all in place with some Morphe setting spray. Okay guys, this is the final peppermint makeup tutorial. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think it's so cute. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel for more and follow my social media down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.